Welcome to today's portrait. I've got a new one for you. This series that I've been doing, it's a series of portraits that are mainly challenges to me. So even if it's one that I've done hundreds of times, if I do it on this series, I want to get better at it. I want to become more confident, and each time I'm trying to learn something new. This one in particular, the portrait I'm doing today, it's a huge challenge, and the hardest portraits to do, always, are beautiful women. I work on a very dark, harsh surface, the black canvas. And most reference images of these beautiful women are very light. They have the least amount of shadows. So I'm actually leaving behind the least amount of black on my surface. So this was a challenge. Either way, it was super fun to paint, and I'm definitely gonna be sweating today. So either way, if you've been enjoying this series of paintings, hit that subscribe button down below, and also leave me a comment. You ask me what portraits you want to see in the future during this portrait series. Let's get into today's portrait. Let's go. Thanks for watching today's portrait. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something along the way, or hopefully you were at least entertained. If you're enjoying this series of paintings, hit that subscribe button down below and even just hit that thumbs up. It's the best way to support this channel. Also, check out these videos.